Today I'm gonna share with you my take on the secret KFC recipe that we all know and love. You can hit that like button already because this one will be epic. Today guys, I have an awesome announcement for you guys. Today we are selecting the giveaway winner and announcing the next giveaway, so more of that at the end of the video. We all love Kentucky Fried Chicken. The chicken is crunchy outside and juicy and tender inside, but we also know that the recipe is a big secret. So today I'm going to teach you how to make my own version of KFC chicken that some people say is even better than theirs. Let's go! This Kentucky Fried Chicken recipe is one of the most requested chicken recipes in the channel, and today I'm going to show you my favorite way of making it happen. The first thing we will do is create the batter for our chicken. All these ingredients are easy and simple to find, and you should be able to get them all in any store near you. The first thing to use will be flour. I'm using about 1.5 cup of regular flour. Any commercial flour will work. And to that I will add about 1 cup of cornstarch. Next I will be adding about 1 tablespoon of salt, pepper and garlic powder. And here is a little list of all the other spices I will use. 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of paprika, half a tablespoon of oregano, and 1 tablespoon of crushed chili pepper. And the last thing I will be adding to this recipe will be a full jalapeno cut into very little pieces. Of course, the original recipe doesn't include jalapenos, but I like it a lot, and I think it makes it even better. There was a time that KFC used to sell a version of their chicken this way in Latin America, and it was a great success. So give it a try. You might find it really interesting. But remember, it is 100% optional. And now it is time to add the sparkling water to the mix. We will be adding the sparkling water little by little and mix well before adding any more. That way we can control how thick the batter will be. What we are looking for is something with this consistency, not too light, not too thick. And after the batter is done, I will place it in the fridge for about 30 minutes while we'll prepare the rest of the ingredients. Today we're going to be cooking some chicken breast and legs. With the chicken breast I will cut them in half, so all of them have the same thickness, and then I will cut them into strips. And with the chicken legs, all I'm going to do is clean them up a little bit and make it look really nice. And once you have all your chicken good and ready, add some salt and place them in the fridge too for about 15 minutes. And now with all the ingredients ready, it is time to start cooking these babies up. The first thing is to place them into a bowl with just flour. Just move them around and make sure that it's all covered, and then we will sink it into the batter. Once you have your chicken in the batter, make sure that the whole entire chicken is covered with it. And for the last step, I like to cover them again with flour, always covering it up as much as possible. And finally we will take them into the oil. For this to cook perfectly, the oil should be at about 350 degrees. And the main idea here is to keep it at that temperature for the entirety of the cook, so remember to keep an eye on the heat. And after about 7 minutes, you should see the chicken colors turning into that golden beautiful color we all love. And finally, it is time to take them out and place them into a bowl that I have prepared with some paper towels. And yes, I know you will ask, you can do more than one at the same time. I just did it that way because I wanted to show you in details exactly what was happening. Depending on your pot, you can cook 3 or 4 all together, as long as they have a space in between. Alright, Miss Ninja, here we have our test today, and as you can see, they look different.
They do, but they look beautiful.
It looks beautiful, man.
Guys, don't make fun of us. For us, it's cold in Florida.
Well,
We're Floridians.
I'll tell you how much it is right now.
Oh.
57. 57 in Florida is
And
a
we're
lot of cold, man.
Yes, it is.
All right, Miss Ninja, we have these two things here. This
Okay.
is something that I made. That's something I didn't do.
Okay.
Based on appearance, what do you like best?
This one, it looks
That look
gorgeous.
beautiful, huh?
Oh, yeah.
But we want to try them both. So let's say that one is number A, this one is number B, and let's see which one you like better.
Let's try.
Let's go
do
for it.
Okay.
Dig it.
Oh.
Good. I mean,
Yeah,
I
good.
love it. All right, Miss Ninja, what do you think about that one?
It's good.
Tastes good.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, so you're licking your fingers. His finger licking good. Yo, his finger licking good. All right, Miss Ninja, let's
go.
try this one here.
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna get the leg. I'm gonna get the
I'll
breast.
get the leg.
Let me get
Look
this
at
one.
the size of these legs.
These are huge.
I mean, this is.
All right, let's give it a good
You
try,
like
Miss
this?
Ninja.
Let's go. Mmm.
Oh.
This is super crispy.
This
I
is
love
crunchy.
it.
Listen to this.
This is really good.
Very good.
Love it.
How did it taste?
Love the taste. I can taste a little bit of. It's a little bit spicy, which I love that. They give it that punch.
All right. So let me tell you what it is. That is Kentucky Fried Chicken that I just bought.
Okay.
Hey, it's a good chicken. I won't complain about that. It's good. What about this one here?
This one is good.
This one is really good,
I mean,
guys.
it's really crispy and
It's-
tasty, and it has a punch. I love it.
It's really
love
crunchy.
it.
And that little bit of jalapeno there give it a really good, nice punch on the face that you guys are going to love. I mean, it's real good, guys. You should give it a try for sure.
Give it a
because
shot.
this one is, I'm not going to give it delicious. Chicken doesn't deserve a delicious.
What?
Chicken does not
Yeah, it does.
deserve
It does.
a delicious.
It does.
Never.
Well, and sisters.
Guys, we're gonna get the winner of the giveaway
Oh,
right
yes.
now. Let's go for it. I have my computer here.
Let's do
I
it.
have everything set up already.
Let's do it.
All right, here we have the list with all the people that subscribe to the newsletters.
Oh, wow.
The only thing that we're doing is filtering the duplicates. Now we're gonna select the winner. And here we go, here we go, here we
Oh my
go,
God,
here we
oh
go,
my
here
God,
we
this is
go.
so exciting.
Who's the winner? Yes, Dominic
Dominic
Barber.
Barber.
Dominic, you are the winner of the beef away. You're gonna
Yes.
get a Ninja Box, which is a picanha, 3-pound picanha, amazing, beautiful picanha, and a whole sirloin that you are going to love. If you do
Amazing.
it, you have to send me some photos, okay?
Yeah.
That's the deal. So all you have to do is now go to Instagram, send me a DM in Instagram, and we go from there. I'm gonna get you.
Congratulations.
Just send me a DM, man. You're the man, bro.
You are.
Dominic Barber. And now, guys, we have to announce the next giveaway. The next giveaway is awesome because it's going all over the planet.
No way.
The entire world. Everybody's gonna get one. So you have to go to saltytales.tv and
Right here.
subscribe because if you do that, you're gonna be the winner of an amazing Neil Serap set of wraps. The whole
Okay.
set is 10
Oh, wow.
amazing, crazy, real good, something that I used all the time, wraps. And you guys are gonna love it, and we're gonna ship it everywhere, wherever you are. We're gonna ship it to you.
Anywhere in the world?
Anywhere in the world.
Are you kidding me?
Anywhere.
I love it.
You're just going crazy down there
Yeah,
because he
I mean-
wants some chicken.
He wants to
So, if we made you hungry, please hit it with a like.
eat. Lots and lots of likes.
Subscribe to the channel, share with
Yes,
your friends
do.
and family, and don't forget to share these videos on social networks because that helps us a lot. That's all for today, but remember that I love you.
Mwah. Thanks for watching. I love you too. I'm freezing, and see you on the next one.
And if you have anything to say, put it down there in the comments. That's what
Don't
it is
forget.
for. We try to answer all the comments we can. So, bye.
Bye.